How to fix Windows Explorer has stopped working after installing Windows 10 KB4579311 cumulative update. Well, if you also met error codes such as 0x800F081F, 0x8007000D, 0x800F0988 while tried installing the KB4579311 update, just forget it or, try these steps. 1. Remove that troublesome KB4579311 to save your PC from reported boot problems, Explorer crashes, performance issues. 2. Update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Try reinstalling KB4579311 carefully, later. Note, you'd better back up your personal data first.